Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are making bell pepper fried rice, all like the traditional fried rice that we know, that we make use of our carrots, our sweet corn, liver. We are not using them here today. We're just making use of our bell peppers, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and our yellow bell pepper. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing, okay? And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like, share, and comment, okay? So guys, I also have my onions, ginger, and garlic. I have my rice here. I'm using the regular rice for this. And here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I've not washed this pepper yet. So here is my scotch bonnet pepper. And for my seasoning cube, I'm making use of Maggi Star. That's the regular Maggi cube that we all know. And here is my thyme. My salt. Curry powder. And for my protein, I'm using chicken. So you can use any protein of choice. You can make use of your fish, you can make use of beef, but today we are eating chicken because it's Christmas. So I'm going to start now by prepping my bell pepper. I'm going to be roughly grating my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, ginger, and onions, okay? So here we have it, our roughly blended pepper. So now I'm going to start by cooking our chicken. And in a dried clean pot, I'll be adding in my chicken. And then I'll be adding in my pepper mix. I'll go in now with my curry powder. My thyme, I'll add in my thyme now. And then seasoning cube. I'm going to mix everything to properly combine it, okay? And then I'll cover this pot. I'll allow this chicken to cook on its own juice for about 3 minutes. Then I will come back to adding water. To my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. Thank you. You're welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. To my OGs, thank you for your love, thank you for your support. You guys are so amazing. I don't take your love for granted. So now I'm going to cover this pot. I will allow this to cook, okay, before adding in water. So guys, it's 3 minutes later. I'll be adding in some water. So guys, I'm going to cover and I'll allow this to cook for extra 7 minutes, okay? And 7 minutes later, our chicken is cooked. I'm going to take it out now. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? Happy Christmas guys to you and yours. This is me wishing you a very beautiful Christmas and a prosperous new year. In the same pot, okay, I'll be adding in my rice, but first I'll add in some salt. So now I'll just add in my rice. This is washed rice. I did not parboil the rice. I just washed the rice until the water became clear or becomes clear. I didn't parboil it. So now I'm just going to add in water, enough to cook the rice. So here is our bell peppers. I've already cut them with some onions in it. So now our rice is cooked. I'm going to bring this down now and then start the frying our bell peppers. I hope you are enjoying the video guys. If you are, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comment for me, okay? Also share this video, help me to share my video, okay? I'll be heating up some vegetable oil. Then I will add in my bell peppers. I'll be frying this on high heat for just a minute, okay? Because I don't want it to be soggy. I still want it crunchy when I'm eating it. That's why I'm frying it on high heat. That's why I'm frying on high heat, okay, for just a minute. You don't have to fry it longer, okay? So I'll be seasoning it, okay, with some seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this, allow to fry for few seconds, okay? Remember we are frying this for a minute on the dot, okay? Because you still want it to be crunchy when you are eating it. That's the sweetness and the beauty of this bell pepper. You still want it looking fresh. So now I'm going to be transferring this in our cooked rice. And then I'm going to mix everything together to properly mix everything together. I'm going to mix everything now to properly mix it, okay? Let it mix very well in the rice. And guys, our bell pepper fried rice is ready. If you want to enjoy fried rice but don't have all the complete ingredients for fried rice, then this recipe is for you. This still came out as fried rice. It was so yummy, like very, very delicious. You won't even know that it's not fried rice unless I tell you that it's not fried rice. Well, it's still fried rice, but not like the fried rice that we know. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and then do all those beautiful stuff to this channel. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please stay safe. Bye.